Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have a wonderful craft haul from Crafter's Companion. Last week, I received their Nature's Garden Chinoiserie collection, and it is absolutely beautiful. I purchased it from HSN during their craft event, and I have to say, it is even more beautiful in person. These are all of the items that you receive in your package. I'm going to clear off my desktop so we can review the gorgeous paper pad first. I'll be right back. This is a paper collection. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. You know, I had the pleasure of spending quite a bit of time in Asia, northern and southern China, as well as Thailand and other areas for work and for vacation. And I am obsessed with anything Asian inspired. And this is just so beautiful. This is a 12 by 12 paper collection. It has four each of 12 designs, and they are double-sided. The paperweight is 180 GSM, so it's a nice weight paper. So let's get into this. The first design is this beautiful paper with light pink backgrounds. You've got the beautiful pagodas and the cranes in the background, and you receive 4 copies of this design. On the back, you have this beautiful green scallop design. The next design is this beautiful golden background paper with the roses and the parrot. The back side is this golden image, and it has pagodas in the background. Next, you have this all over floral print with more birds. You've also got dragonflies in the background, and you have this dark blue backside. It's got a shadow of flowers in the background that you can see ever so slightly, but it's beautiful. The next design is this blue and white pagoda image. This is so pretty. This actually looks like the fine china porcelain, and it's just so delicate. The back side, you have another scallop with this very intricate floral detail in the center of each of the scallops. Next, you have this beautiful floral print. I love how large the flowers are. They just seem to jump off the page. On the back, you have these parrots. Let me turn this around. Here you can see the parrots, which is a perfect complement to this back side here. Next, you have this beautiful floral design. And on the back, you have this very light printed floral design. Next is an image that's similar to the first page I showed you. The only difference is that you've got this light blue background, and on the back side you've got this blue scallop detail. Next we have another floral design with a golden background. The back side of that you have a smaller floral print. Here we have more pagodas, but this time it is in this beautiful jade green. On the back, you have this large scallop detail in green with more intricate floral designs in the center. You have another floral design, and on the back, a very, very light print of florals. Next, we have this beautiful floral design with a burgundy background. And on the back, you have a slightly muted burgundy color with flowers, and then you also have dragonflies in a light pink. And the last design is this beautiful navy blue background with beautiful pinks and rose floral details. And on the back, you have this light pink design. This is a beautiful paper collection, and I cannot wait to start working with this. Let's look at some of the other items in the collection. With the paper collection, you also receive these stickers that match perfectly to the paper collection. In the collection, you receive 4 stamp sets, and 2 of them come with dies. The first one is called the Chinoiserie Temple, and this is beautiful. These are all of the pieces that you receive. You've got a lantern, the pagoda, you've got 2 beautiful flowers, some Chinese characters, and then also a sentiment. The next one is called Beautiful Birds. This is gorgeous. These are all of the pieces that you receive in it. Next, we have Oriental Lanterns, and this is both a stamp and a die set. And then the last stamp and die set is called Peony Wreath. This is beautiful, and I love how large the images are, which makes it really easy to color and cut out. But you have 3 dies and you have 5 stamps. These are all of the pieces that you receive. The last 2 items in the kit include this beautiful chinoiserie frame. Look at the detail on that. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is a 5x7 die. And then you also receive this embossing folder, which is called Pretty Peonies. This is 6x6. This concludes my review of the gorgeous Crafter's Companion Nature's Garden Chinoiserie collection. This is definitely very different from any of the styles that they've used before in their paper collections, and I think it is definitely a collectible. This is available on HSN, or you can purchase it directly on Crafter's Companion site. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, please check back to see what wonderful projects I create with this paper collection. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.